Sebi, a Honduran herbalist and self-proclaimed healer, advocated for an alkaline diet focusing on plant-based foods and eliminating acidic or hybrid foods. He believed this approach could help maintain the body's natural pH balance, promoting overall health. Here are some foods he recommended. Vegetables: leafy greens, kale, watercress, dandelion greens, arugula, and spinach. Root vegetables: burdock root, yams, sweet potatoes, and turnips. Others: zucchini, bell peppers, cucumber, okra, and sea vegetables like sea moss and bladderwrack. Fruits: berries, strawberries, blueberries, and raspberries. Tropical fruits: mango, papaya, and key limes. Others: apples, pears, seeded grapes, figs, dates, and melons. Grains: ancient grains: spelt, teff, amaranth, quinoa, and wild rice. Legumes and nuts play a vital role in Dr. Sebi's diet. For nuts, raw walnuts, Brazil nuts, and raw sesame seeds are recommended. When it comes to legumes, chickpeas, also known as garbanzo beans, are a staple. Herbs and spices are essential components of the diet. Natural seasonings include basil, oregano, thyme, cayenne, and sage. For healing herbs, burdock root, sarsaparilla, and elderberry are highly valued. The use of oils in Dr. Sebi's diet is quite specific. Cold-pressed oils such as olive oil, coconut oil, hemp seed oil, and avocado oil are preferred. Dr. Sebi's diet emphasizes whole, unprocessed, and natural foods. It discourages the consumption of processed items, animal products, hybridized plants, and artificial ingredients. His diet plan is also designed to support detoxification and is largely inspired by an African biomineral balance perspective.